How to fix set time in dead grayed out on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix if the set time in dead option on your Android device is grayed out. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So that may happen sometimes when your phone is set to automatic date and time. In that case, you cannot change it manually. So let's see how we can unlock that feature. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. So once you open up settings, you have to scroll down and head over to your system where you can find date and time option. So tap on date and time. So currently here the date and time is grayed out since I have turned on set time automatically or set time zone automatically. So to unlock this feature so that you could set your date and time manually, you have to turn off this toggle at the top. Now you can set date and time manually according to your preferred choice. If you want to set the time zone and if the time zone is grayed out, once you turn off that toggle that says set time zone automatically, now you could set your time zone manually. So that was the first thing that you can try. And if it is still grayed out, make sure that you disable the battery saver from your device. If you have any application restrictions, then make sure that you remove them. Now, if that still does not help you, restart your device. Once you restart your device completely, you could head over to date and time settings, and now that will be working fine. So that's it. That's how you can fix if you have the grayed set time and date option on Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.